In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk dashboard. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure that you can build a dashboard that effectively meets your needs. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to open Zendesk Analytics. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to locate the Analytics icon, which you can find in the top right corner of the interface. Give that a click, and you'll see the Dashboards option appear on the left sidebar. Click on Dashboards, and then click on the New Dashboard button. This is where our journey of creating a new dashboard really begins. Now that we're in the dashboard creation area, it's time to name your dashboard. Think about what you'll be using this dashboard for. It could be support KPIs or weekly ticket report, just something that clearly indicates its purpose. Once you've entered a name you're satisfied with, click on Create. Doing this will take you directly into the dashboard editor, which is where all the magic happens. With the dashboard editor open, we're ready to add some reports, which Zendesk refers to as queries. To do this, go ahead and click on the Add button, then select Add Query. This will bring up a search function that allows you to find and choose from the queries you've previously built in Explore. Once you've selected a query, click Add Query again to place it onto your dashboard. You can repeat this process to add as many queries as you need. The idea here is to populate your dashboard with all the essential reports you want to track. Once you've got your queries added, it's time to arrange and customize them. You can click and drag each widget to set them up exactly how you want them. You might find that resizing is necessary to create a more coherent layout. Don't forget, you can also add text or images to enhance your dashboard. This can be useful for adding notes, headers, or even your company logo. Additionally, make use of the filters located on the top bar, allowing viewers to filter results by different criteria like group or date. Before finalizing your dashboard, you'll want to give it a full test and preview. Use the preview button to see how it appears to others who might be accessing it. Pay close attention to your filters, formatting, and overall layout to ensure everything is working and looking as it should. Finally, once everything is set up perfectly, it's time to save and share your dashboard. Click on the Save button located at the top right. Then, click on Share to either add team members or groups who should have access to this dashboard. Alternatively, use the Schedule feature to send your dashboard via email on a daily, weekly, or other basis that suits your workflow. And there you have it. That's how you create a Zendesk dashboard. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to build dashboards that effectively communicate and track the metrics that matter most to your team. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboarding.